Hey everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am so excited to be with, you guys know him, Sam of who? Dostie Homes. And guess what, guys? We're in Reflections at Nocatee. That is the 50th and final community that Nocatee will have, and we are excited to show you one of two Dostie model homes. Thank you so much for having us, Sam.
Absolutely. Carling, Heather, welcome to the Cleary model. This is a brand new floor plan for us here in Reflections. This is a 40-foot wide home on a 50-foot wide home site. It is 2,900 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms standard, including a bonus room and this office space, this nice flex room right off the foyer. We chose to leave it open, but this could easily be closed up with walls and French doors to give you that private home office if you're working from home. Just off the foyer is this elegant powder room.
That's a really large powder room too.
It is, and we highlighted some design elements in there with the vanity top and the wallpaper and that wood wainscot. Carling's panning past our coat closet right here off the foyer, so that makes that very convenient for your guests. She did highlight the 2-story foyer, so I know everybody saw that.
And what's great is you mentioned the square footage, but as we walk through, it really feels so much bigger. And also, as the viewer, you will see how many bedrooms that this square footage can accommodate. I'm very excited. I know this floor plan will sell very quickly here in Reflections at Nocatee.
This laundry room is beautiful. You can see how much cabinetry you can put in there. We do have a front load washer and dryer along with our laundry sink, perfect spot to hang some clothes. And also this mud room just off of our 3-car tandem garage. That's right, you can have 2 cars and still park your golf cart in this home as well. As we walk through the gallery, we're going to be entering the main body of the house. So your great room, kitchen, and dining area.
And again, look at the design elements. Carling, if you'll pan just to the ceiling. I really love this open floor plan, but I love when we walk through, you're gonna see with the dining area, they have, what is it, 6 chairs you'll see over there, but everyone, guys, you can expand that table. This is really a home for entertaining, hosting parties, hosting the holidays. Great floor plan.
Could easily be 8 chairs over there. We're showing 4 bar stools, so 12 people eating in this kitchen area would not be unheard of. We did do the stacked cabinets all the way up to the 10-foot ceiling. You've got that corner walk-in pantry. And in this model, we chose to do the double oven and show the microwave option built in down there. So all of our plans do have that option where you can take the oven micro tower, turn that into a double oven, and add that microwave built in.
And look at all the drawers too. I'm noticing the deep drawers underneath the gas top. I want to remind you, we are in a natural gas community, but just the amount of drawers, cabinets, plenty of storage. And I love the island also.
This is a 4-foot by 9-foot island,
huge.
so huge.
Beautiful hardware. Just everything that y'all have done in this model. I can see people going, I'll just take it. Take it as is.
One of the things we chose to do in this model is we showed the large screen TV with some built-ins on either side of it over here, really highlighting the entertainment center along with the stained beams. And part of the reason we chose not to do a fireplace in here is as we start to move our way through the dining room and outside, you're going to see something special we did in the backyard of this home. That does have a 10 to 11-foot ceiling there in the dining room, Carling, that you were just highlighting.
And I want to remind people, Sam said this is a 50-foot home site?
50-foot home site, 40-foot wide home.
And the reason I want to say that though, but Sam, look how big this is. Look at your paradise out here. So I can't wait for you, the viewer, to come and visit Dostie Homes here in Reflections, because guys, this to me feels like a 70-foot lot.
It really does, Heather. And we chose to add this grilling porch. So this square area back here has its own cover, its own wraparound grill. But then as we pan around, you can see the size and the elegance of this pool that we were able to do on a 50-foot home site.
I would never leave.
It's paradise back here, Heather.
Never
You said it, especially on the natural preserve home sites that are so synonymous with Nocatee lifestyle living. We've got our hot tub back there. They're sitting back there. We even have a little spot where you could sit at these bar stools and actually be entertained by your guests back here as you watch TV, enjoy the hot tub, and you've got people sitting over there by the fireplace. So we wanted to highlight that outdoor living, that natural paradise that you spoke of, Heather. And we even gave people a French door from the master bedroom that Carling just panned by, so that when you wake up in the morning, heck, you can come straight out here and hop in the pool if you want.
Absolutely love this. And also, I want to let people know behind this beautiful pool, there's still room. So if you do move here with a dog, there's still grass space back there to let your dog out in your backyard. So I want to let you know that Dostie Homes, with this footprint, they're not using every inch of the home site. So that's another thing, is this home is perfect whether you have pets, you have kids, you're an empty nester. I cannot wait for people to start moving into Reflections, which actually hopefully should be soon.
Should be very soon. We're coming into the master bedroom, which again is that 10 to 11 foot standard ceiling. Those windows you see along the back, that big picture window, all of that is standard. We did choose, like I mentioned, to add that French door over in the corner, so you do have direct access from your master bedroom outside if you choose to do that. Now, directly behind Carling is our master suite. And we did something unique in here as well. In a 40-foot wide house, we chose to do a wet suite. So we've got our freestanding tub, we've got the large shower, our shampoo ledge that actually runs the entire length of that shower.
That's a nice touch. That's not something I've seen before, so I really love that. So
All
again, lots just of spa-like. It feels like a spa, Sam. That's what it feels like.
It really does, Heather. And you know, one thing that we keep getting comments on is more and more vanity space. And this vanity is over 9 feet long. It definitely has a his and hers spot. It has tons of storage and drawers, as you can see.
And a linen closet still.
And a linen closet over there on the right for your towels. As Carling walks by, to the left is where the water closet is. And then she's going to go into the walk-in closet, which is huge.
Okay, guys, everyone knows, if you've watched these videos for years, I love a closet. Carling, keep going around. Thank you, Dostie Homes. Thank you, Sam Clausen and his team, because that closet is amazing. And in the very back, you can even put, what, a safe? You could put stuff back there.
That is exactly the way we envision that. Is the sloped ceiling underneath the stairs that Carling highlighted is the perfect spot for a full-size safe out of the way that no one would even know was in your closet. So for those of you that are thinking about safety and security, or just need to lock up some documents, there's a great spot to hide that back there in the back of your closet.
Love it. And I want to remind people, so we are in Reflections at Nocatee. That is the Park Group and all the builders' final 50th community. The Park Group is so excited that you've been a part of this Nocatee family for so long. Dostie Homes has been a part of the Nocatee family for many, many years. Very successful. We can't wait for you to come out. And here in Reflections at Nocatee, some highlights are, of course, you have an amazing park with a huge playground towards the front of the community where the model homes are located. But then I want to let people know, guess what, guys? You're going to end up being one of the 3rd closest communities outside of the town center neighborhoods to the Splash and Spray water parks. And that's because a greenway trail will be put in. That's a golf cart, biking, and foot traffic trail at the back corner of Reflection. So yes, guys, you are actually a very close community to every amenity that Nocatee offers. Okay, Sam, again, love the windows.
We have tons of natural light filtering in here.
Beautiful.
We've got the 9-foot ceiling that steps up to 10 feet in the middle of this bonus room. We did add the coffers with that fun star wallpaper up there. But we wanted to highlight the fact that this room is big enough for an actual game table and a kid's homework station. And the reason we were wanting to highlight that is because in the back right corner that Carling's going to walk to is our media room.
I absolutely love this. If you don't need this as a 4th bedroom on the 2nd floor, I would 100% keep this open. What a great space. And guys, if you have a gamer in your house, I know I do, that's the TV you want.
That is an 85-inch television with the Sonos soundbar below it. As Heather said, this could easily convert into what would be the 5th bedroom in this house, or a 4th bedroom upstairs. But one of the special things about the upstairs of this house is, as Carling is painting through this bathroom, this is one of 3 full bathrooms upstairs. So there are 3 standard bedrooms and 3 standard bathrooms on the 2nd floor of this home. So if you have 3 children, no more fighting. They all get their own sink.
See,
And they can still have a spot to watch TV. And they can still
Absolutely.
have a spot to do homework and play games.
Well, and that's what I love is just all, I mean, the amount of room on the second floor and the way you thought this out, because it's not something we always see where every bedroom, especially on the second floor, gets its own bathroom. So absolutely love that. Great bedrooms. Carling's just panning again to another one. But guess what, guys? Carling, you got to get out of that space because we're going to go into what I call my favorite room. If I was growing up as a little girl, this would be my room. Sam.
Absolutely,
what-
Heather, and I hope this shows up well on video.
I really do
Carling
too.
is highlighting the two-story foyer, but as she walks by the third and final full bathroom upstairs, she's walking into what I call the Princess Tower room. You know, we've done quite a few of these tower rooms over the
Yes,
years with
you
this
have.
coastal architecture that really lends itself to this. But here we've highlighted it with these pinks and these greens, and it really does feel like a fairy princess bedroom in here. That is a 13-foot high ceiling in this room. So I said the kids wouldn't have to fight over a bathroom, but they sure as heck might be fighting over which bedroom is going to be theirs.
If you have more than one daughter, then it's just favorite daughter.
There
Who
you
made
go.
the
Or
best
oldest.
grades?
Maybe oldest daughter
Oh.
gets that bedroom.
Who made the best grades?
Oh, there you go.
Well, absolutely love this floor plan. This is again the Cleary, I can't say it.
Cleary. She
floor,
clearly cannot say Cleary, y'all.
floor plan again by Dostie Homes. We love them. I can't wait for you to come out to Reflections at Nocatee. And Sam, again, you and your team knocked it out of the park. So great job. All right, thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye.